Hello guys, today I'm gonna make homemade exhausts. These ones are from Honda Varadero 1000, the first generation, but it's pretty much the same with the other models. So when you're gonna remove it from your motorbike, it's gonna be like that. So start to take all these heat protectors. They're with Alien key. In mine I have already unloosed them. I just gonna show you what job I have did. So you're gonna take these ones. Just give attention that here are these kind of goiters, so don't lose them. They are like going here in there. When you remove the bolts, make sure that you have everything inside. So this plate is going under this one. So here is the teeth where it's going between. So here you can see I have already cut it, this one, just to show to you. In my project I decided the inside ones, of course, I cut it, and I cut it like that. So I took 5 centimeters from this side, like from the weld where it is here, and 5 centimeters from this side, and I make it pretty much on the same line with this one. So this one I don't have yet opened it, I don't have empty. Here it's also the killer, decibel killer from factory. This is one body all inside. So this one, it's under the job. I'm gonna show you how I already make it. So here it's opened, and here inside have all these parts. Here's what you can see. How you can see, they're like, I'm gonna show you after, when I open the other one. I also gonna make one video. Here are some kind of walls like these ones here. So they're like 1, 2, 3 walls, and then it's here the decibel killer. So what I did it, I try everything, hammer, whatever I can find in my workplace. I did it with everything just to remove. There are some dots weld, so I just drill them to make it easy more for remove. When it come on this part, here is the decibel killer. So this one, it was the most, how to say, like tricky to take it off. It's like that. I tried with hammer, I tried with everything, was not going. So I decided to use cap drill. This one. This, it's not from metal. I was very excited about this one, because this one is 51 millimeter diameter. It's going exactly straight here, and I just start to drill. These ones are from woods. They are here. They're for woods. So I have the all set, but they're only for woods. They're not from metal. But how you can see, it go very easy on the metal. So when you take this one off, we're gonna close it, this one, and we're gonna weld it. Also, when you're gonna weld it, this one, because how you see now we open it and it's little bit bended. So if we want to get it how much close it's here, like it's possible, I'm gonna show you one trick what I'm gonna use it in my work, in my project. just a minute to find where are the correct bolts. Okay, we are gonna demonstrate it with this one and this one. So you're gonna take one bolt, one at what it's going to this bolt here, and one which is more bigger, that it's going like that. So what you can do, you can just weld this one here, just little bit, not too much, to weld it here. And this one, you're gonna weld it here. Here. So how it gonna work? It's gonna work like that. So when you're gonna, these ones think that they are welded both. So this one, when you put it here inside and you start to rotate this bolt, the gap between these ones is gonna go close like that, because this one it's moving freely, the bolt, but on this one it's not. So I'm gonna use maybe in both sides, like here and here, to get more close how possible it is, so I can weld it good. I'm gonna use like with a stick weld, which is for stainless steel, and I'm gonna make another video to show you the other one when I'm gonna open it, how it's gonna look. So here it is when you're gonna open it. It's gonna look like that. First I take the main body. Here have these heat resistors, I think, and then it have this one here. This one is probably from factory, welded here, and it may be now cracked, but it's not problem. So I'm suggesting you to drill already these ones holes. And now I already make it first this one, I cut it first this one. I put these stands so it's not moving, and I'm gonna drill this one, and I'm gonna show you how it gonna looks. Here I make small holes, and after I'm gonna use some big one. So I'm gonna drill it, and I'm gonna show you after what you're gonna do. So now I drill it with the big one. Gonna look like that. What I notice it is that I don't have cut it till the end here, also here, so it's gonna be a little bit tricky to take it off, but you're gonna give attention to these ones. Ah, yeah, it have also here one, so I'm gonna drill also that one. Otherwise in this side it's moving. Here maybe it's a little bit. So I drill also these ones, and here we're gonna start our fight now to take these pieces off. It's a little bit hard with one hand, but let's try it. So here it's already going out of the place. How you can see that here it's still close on this one plates, which I already told you. Here it go. Let's try a little bit bigger tool. So I already take it, this part, so how I say here, like that, it was the factory line from two, like from one piece when it's going like that. But it's not problem, I'm gonna make it straight. This one, this is very soft, You can do it like how you want. So, like that it's looking from inside. We already now cut it, that part there, which is the decibel healer. You see here the walls, how it is. So the exhausts are going, just a minute, I'm gonna show you. Where did go my two? Let's take this one. So from the engine, the exhausts are going through this net plate, are going, here are 1, 2 walls, so are going in this pipe through, then this area is getting full with exhaust gases, then it's going from this pipe here, and it's coming between these walls here. So after this wall here, it's going there on this pipe, which is the decibel killer. So it's going like that, and like that. And how I show you to the other one, to the previous, we gonna remove everything here to be just empty. I don't know how it gonna sound, but I just gonna know that 100% the motorbike gonna breathe and the exhaust is gonna go better. So also one other thing which I noticed it, when you cut this plate, I use it like normal 125 millimeter plate disc, cutter disc. I'm suggesting you to go with a big one. So it's gonna cut also this pipe also to the half. Not too deep to don't go from the other side, but you can measure it like kind of like 5 centimeters. I can measure it for you. For me, I did it like that because I didn't have experience. So yeah, like 5 centimeters can go like inside. So then, if you see here, the pipe, it's like 4 centimeters from here, this pipe. So if you cut it that one in the half, it's gonna be very, very, very easy. If you don't cut, then here it's gonna be your wall. This kind of wall it's gonna be. Just in pieces, all. And like that I'm going to do it now, here. Here have some other projects are waiting. Here is Mercury, 50 horsepower, 4-stroke outboard engine, which I'm going also. I have changed everything inside for my boat. And then, let's do it this one. Today it's Friday. Tomorrow Saturday I'm gonna weld it. And I'm gonna put it back to my motorbike and let's see what kind of sounds we're gonna get. See you.